ವಸುತಂ ದೇವಂ ಕಂಸಚಾಣೂರಮರ್ದನಂ ದೇವಕೀ ಪರಮಾನಂದಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ವಂದೇ ಜಗದ್ಗುರುಂ. ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ವ್ಯಾಸವಿಶಾಲಬುದ್ಧೇ ಪುಲ್ಲಾರವಿಂದಾಯತಪತ್ರನೇತ್ರ ಯೇನ ತ್ವಯಾ ಭಾರತತೈಲಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಾಲಿತೋ ಜ್ಞಾನಮಯ ಪ್ರದೀಪಃ. ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರೆವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ joining. We are towards the end of 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, called as Moksha Sannyasa Yoga. Moksha Sannyasa Yoga. 18th chapter is a summary chapter. Like as I mentioned before, any article if you write or anything you are talking, initially you have to tell, abstract what you are going to say, then say about that one, and conclusion, summary. What is your conclusion? So 18th chapter is a summary chapter. 18th is victory chapter. Victory 18, 1 and 8 is Jaya. 1 and 8, Jaya, Mahabharata's original name is Jaya. Jaya, the 1-8, Ya is 1, Ja, Kaka, Gaganga, Cha, Cha, Ja, 8. 1 and 8 is called as Jaya. The victory, Mahabharata is about the victory. It is all our lives are centered around family, to please the family, to please the friends. Whole life is spent, and everyone's experience, we are not able to win the game of life in the name of family and friends. Always family tension, family fighting for trivial things, piece of land. But Mahabharata, Kaurava and Pandavas is not a real estate problem. It is not just a real estate problem. It is the between the good and bad. What is good and bad, it is not, doesn't matter even if it is your own close teacher, close family members, you always stand by the values. That side wins. And this to play this game, this Pandavas are the divine beings. They came down to play the game, and Kauravas are demonic people, Asura Shakti. They were here when Asura Shakti was here. Demons, divine beings came down to play the game. They born in the same family. Their same family, their roots were the same. Vedavyasa is grandfather, same grandfather. Vedavyasa, from him the Kauravas were there and the Pandavas were there. From the same grandfather, two streams came out. Doesn't matter, same family, two ideologies will come out, but not to, you always abide by, stand by the stand for the dharma. Dharma in Vayu Purana talks about dharma is not a mechanical working. For a dharma karya, I do every day, I gave a charity. Dharma alone means nothing. I may be going to the temple, praying everything, and doing a big puja, and people calling 100 people, doing a big chanting process. Dharma is not important. Behind what is the knowledge? What is your makeup? I am dharma only for the without understanding, it is of no use. Why Purana talks about dharma, it should be on the firm footing of knowledge. It should be there. And the Duryodhana also, for he was also every day was doing the Havan. He had a Yajna every day. Yajna was happening, but had no, he was doing only to please others and no interest in what he was doing. That dharma won't give any benefit. Last week I talked about Pandava's forefather Yayati story. Yayati, I talked about Shukracharya, Shukracharya's daughter and Devayani, and Kacha's story I talked about. Now the Kacha, he left from the, he came down to understand, to learn about Mrita Sanjeevani mantra. He learnt it from Shukracharya, and Shukracharya was the brother of Brihaspati, Deva Guru, Brihaspati, Asura Guru, Shukracharya. He learned from Shukracharya, and Devayani, his daughter, wanted him to marry her. He refused, and in that she said to Kacha, whatever you learnt, may it not work for you. And in turn, he cursed her, no Brahmana marry you. And they aparted. And Vrishaparva was the king, in the local king, Asura king. He had a daughter called as Sharmishta, and very interesting name, Sharmishta, and another one is Devayani. Sharmishta means Ishta. I want that one. I like it. Ishta, whatever is pleasing. And the same in Uttanapada had two wives. One is Suniti and Suruchi. Suniti means policy. Suruchi means I want that taste. I want to taste Pandu's hotel, that rest. I want to taste everything. Ruchi. And that restaurant, this restaurant. Whereas this one is Sharmishta. Sharmishta means I want that one. Devayani is a path to the divinity. And Vrishaparva's daughter Sharmishta and Devayani, they were friends. Once they went for taking a bath in a river, and after the taking bath, it was about to rain. They came off quickly, and in a hurry, Devayani wore Sharmishta's dress. It's a king's daughter. She was so angry with her. How dare you wear king's royal dress? You are dependent on my father. He's throwing arms at you, and you are his servant's daughter. You are wearing royal clothes. How dare you? And Devayani, in turn, she also said, your king is surviving because of his guru, my father, Shukracharya. Because of guru, you are protected. You are so that discussion heated up, and Sharmishta, and in a fit of anger, she pushed Devayani into a dry well. There was a well, she pushed her. You go and die there, and saying so, Sharmishta went out. And Devayani fell into the well, and there is no way to come out also. She was screaming. At that time, Yayati, king, he was going past that way. He heard the screaming sound, the crying sound, and he peeped in. He saw this lady. He put his hand down and pulled her out. And he was about to go. Then Devayani said, where are you going? You held my hand, that means you are marrying me. Marrying me, you marry me. And Yayati, at that time, that was the norm also. and he had no choice but agreed to marry. And but she said, I have one condition, that Vrishaparva's daughter Sharmishta should become my servant. She should become my servant, and then only I will marry. And they approached the Devayani's father Shukracharya Devaguru. She demanded, I want Vrishapa king's daughter to be my servant. Shukracharya went to Vrishaparva. He had a lot of respect for his guru, and he could not deny, and he made his Sharmishta to become Devayani's servant. You become her servant, and off you go. The Yayati got married to Devayani, and her servant was Sharmishta. They went to the palace. In the palace, the servant quarter. There was a garden behind that one. The servant quarter was there, and Sharmishta was doing the chores, and king went past the garden and saw this Sharmishta. He liked her, and after a while there was a small baby also. This Devayani asked, who is this baby? That he said, it is Sharmishta said, it is God given. Then Devayani asked this baby, who is your father, who is your mother? It said, father is Yayati. She got very upset. He got very upset, and in that process, Yayati married Sharmishta also. Through Sharmishta, he had 3 children. Through Devayani, he had 2 children. From Devayani, Yadu was the first child, and from Sharmishta, last child was Puru. And when he got married, Shukracharya got very angry. This person, Yayati, cheated on my daughter, and he cursed him. May you become old. You become old, and old age, because of the curse, old age crept in, and he became very weak also. Then Devayani pleaded to the father, you cursed him, he is my husband also. What should I do? Then Shukracharya said, he can trade off his old age with others. If anyone is willing to take his old age, he can take others' young age. Like in China, if you commit a crime and if you are sentenced to jail, you can find somebody who can go to jail on your behalf. You can send somebody to jail, and you can, same thing. So Yayati, he has asked the Devayani's son Yadu, and the second son, and Sharmishta's first 2 children. They said, sorry, you had your good time. You want us to take your old age and suffer? Sorry, it is not. We want to have a good time. We are not willing to take. We appreciate your concern, but sorry, we are not willing to trade off our youth. Then he asked the third, Sharmishta's third child, Puru. Puru said, yes, I am willing to take. So he swapped youth from the Puru, and Puru took on the old age. And Yayati, he was so happy with his son. With his youth, He enjoyed his life for many years. Then one day he thought to himself, this enjoyment, however much I enjoy, it is not finishing. It is like pouring ghee onto the fire. It is not exhausting. How silly I am of myself. How can this enjoyment cannot be pacified through pouring more into this one? He said to himself, enough of it. And he approached his son Puru and said, thank you for serving. I had enough of this enjoyment. I give my old age back, take your youth back. And they exchanged again. And what happens to Puru and what happens to Yayati when he dies, we will cover next week. It's Yayati story is Pandava's ancestors. And Arjuna Uvacha Sanyasasya Mahabaho Tattvam-iccami veditum Tyagasya cha Hrishikesha Shrutakeshini Sudana Tyagasya cha Hrishikesha, again conveying the message of Yayati, Hrishika Isha. You need to have the control. Hrishikesha means one who has control over the senses. Tyaga, I talked about dharma, not the, you have to, when you give, not to cry on that one. I gave a charity, then I am whinging within. Hrishikesha, whatever you do, you have the control over your senses. Control, one who has a control over the senses is the king. I may be a multimillionaire, no control over the senses. That person is a slave all through the life. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kamyanam Karmanam Nyasam Sanyasam Kavayo Viduhu Sarva Karma Palatyagam Prahustyagam Vichakshana Tyajyam Doshavadityeke Karma Prahur Manishinaha Yajnadana Tapakarma Natyajyamiti Chapare Nischayam Shunume Tatra Tyage Bharata Sattama Tyago hi Purusha Vyagra Trivida Samprakirtitaha. The Bharata Sattama, Bha means India's original name. It's Bharata. It has come from Pandava's ancestor Bharata Chakravarti. Bha means light. Rata, one who revels in knowledge, one who revels in light, one who revels in the positivity is called as a Bharata. Bharata Sattama, you are best among one who revels in the light, one who revels in the knowledge. Bhagavan Shri Krishna appreciates Arjuna. Yajnadana tapakarma natyajyam karyameva tat yajnodana tapaschaiva pavanani manishinam. Never forego your yajna. Yajna means your offering, dedicating your life to yajna. Another name for yajna is Vishnu. In Vayu Purana talks about, one name is Yajna. In Vishnu Sahasranama also talks about Yajna. Dedicate all your action for higher cause. Charity, never forego. Charity is mentioned in all religion. All religion, charity, yajna, dhana, tapaschaiva. Tapa means austerity. Austerity, you have to have the Upanishad also talks about when Brahma came out of first is the first child of the Bhagavan. When he came, he could not find anyone. He was so scared. I can't see anyone. What I have to do here? So scared. Then he heard the voice, tapa, 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 3 times. Tapa means what the message he got, think, think, think. Deep thinking. Deep thinking is called as tapas. Any problem, if you are confronted, not to hit the panic button, think deep. Where there is a problem, solution lies in there. Where there is a darkness, light also is there. What is meditation? Meditation is nothing but heart is filled with the darkness. Keep on meditating in the dark chambers, there you will find the light. Look for the Nilato Yada Madhyastha Vidhyulekeva Bhasvara. It is talking about the Nila, that in the dark you seek the light. Seek the light in the where the darkness is there, light alone. Where there is a problem, solution also is there. When we are confronted with the problem, then only path to higher life opens up. Then great revelations happens because of the problems. Now the world is going through a tough time. Yes, it's a problem. The problem, it will open up a new avenue of the opportunities. Wherever there's a problem is thrown, it will open up, reshape the world. Maybe in the energy or the dynamism, America's superpower, it will melt down, power shifting, those, whatever it happens, when the problem is there, slowly the change to happen. The problem you contemplate, not to despair, not to question the existence of other day. Who is that? The one person asked, she asked the question, if the God is there, why this war is happening? I told her, think that you say God is not there. Will it solve the problem? It won't solve the problem. You can keep on telling everyone there is no God. Yes, I will say no God. So, will the problem will be better? You need some point of contact where you can pinpoint, offer everything to God, what you think, then mind unburdens. If God is not there, then I think so much of problem. I take all the problems, I can't sleep. Etanyapitu karmani sangam tyaktva palani cha kartavya niti me partha nishchitam matamuttamam niyatasya tu sannyasa karmano nopapadyate mohatasya parityaga tamasa parikirtitaha dukkamityeva yat karma kaya klesha bhayatyajit sakritva rajasam tyagam naivatyaga palam labet karya mityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate arjuna sangam tyaktva palam chaiva satyaga satviko mataha. For others who joined the jest, we covered these shlokas. You can verify our earlier videos. I will touch upon the highlights, whatever shlokas we covered. Nadveshta kushalam karma kushalena anushajyate tyagi sattva samavishto medhavi chinna samshayah nahi deha brita shakyam tyaktum karmanya sheshatah yastu karma palatyagi satyagi ityabhidiyate. Karma palatyagi, tyagi, you do whatever you have to do, but not to get attached to the outcome. That is called a sattvic tyaga. That action, whatever you do, that action won't bind. You do even the household, if you are doing the household things, instead of complaining, I have to do this one, I have to do, yes, you end up doing, still complaining, though you are doing everything at home, only complaining, no punya will come. Instead of complaining and doing, do it as an offering to the Lord. As an offering to the Lord, punya will come. Otherwise, most houses, they keep on complaining, I have to do, I am working like a donkey, I am working like a donkey, and complaining, and though doing everything, no punya is there. Bhagavan reminds, whatever, at work also, it's you may be complaining, boss is making me work hard, you are complaining, still doing, without complaining. It is for personality development. How we can change the great people, how they think, and it is like a mirror, where is the room for improvement for myself? Room for improvement. We need a mirror in front of our life, where I am, what is the ideal? Bhagavan is talking about, try to move towards the ideal situation. Anishtaishta mishram cha trividam karmana phalam bhavatya tyaginam pretya natu sannyasinam kvachit. On the other token, you are not doing as a sattvic with desired prompted or with a negative mind. If you do, three outcomes will come: desirable outcome, undesirable outcome, or mixed one. They will bind you. Panchaitani mahabaho karanani nibodhame Sankhye kritante proktani siddhaye sarva karmanam adhishtanam tata karta karanam cha pritak vidam vividascha pritak cheshta daivam chaivatra panchamam. Anything to do, you need the five things: talking, thinking, or physical. Adhishtanam, you need ability, you need a platform. Body is a platform for us. Without having a healthy body, even if I, at the age of 80, if I think I want to go to Kailas, so sorry, agent will say, sorry, you are not fit. When you are fit, your adhisthana is there. Your fit is there, body is healthy, this is the time. After 10 years I want to do, when I am bit free, sorry, that you can't do. You can't do. Adhishtanam tata karta, that wanting to do should be there. Healthy body is there, but I have no desire to go to Kailas. So it won't happen. Karanam, you need proper instruments, proper gear. And proper gear, like all the healthy limbs and healthy equipments and healthy knowledge, you need to know the what is happening, how to go. Karanam, and aeroplane should be there, and pritak cheshta, effort. I want to go alone is not enough. Cheshta, you have to put in effort. It won't happen. It won't happen. For example, I called yoga retreat. You come here, attend. It's a cheshta. You have to get aligned. Many people, they are not registered for yoga retreat. Effort is not there. They want to realize the goal. Sri Krishna says it is not possible, and above all, Daivam Chaivatra, Bhagavan grace should be there. Adhishtanam tata, then Sharira Vangmano Birya Karma Prarabhate Naraha Nyayam va Viparitam va पञ्चैते तस्य हेतवः तत्रैवं सति कर्तारम् आत्मानं केवलं तु यः पश्यत्य अकृतबुद्ध्यात्मा न स पश्यति दुर्मति यस्य नाहङ्कृतो भावो बुद्धिर्यस्य न लिप्यते हत्वापि स इमां लोकान् न हन्ति न निबध्यते. And you need to have right frame of your mind. What you do is not important, and how you do is important. What is your mental makeup? Mental makeup, it is important. Even if you are doing the puja, some festival celebration, they spend a lot of money only to please the people. Oh, how great is the celebration! Our object of celebration is only to impress others, to get applaud from others. That is not the sattvic. It is only rajasic one. Whatever you may be doing simple, but only doing, or even the grandeur you can do, but only to please God. May He be pleased. That is the sattvic one. If you do that one, karma won't bind you. Jnanam jneyam parijnata trividha karma chodana karanam karma karteti trividha karma sangraha jnanam karma cha karta cha trideva guna bedataha रोच्यते गुणसाङ्ख्याने यथा वशृणुतान्यपि सर्वभूतेषु येनैकं भाव अव्यय ईक्षते अविभक्तं विभक्तेषु तज्ज्ञानं विद्धि सात्विकम्. The sattvic knowledge is the comprehensive knowledge, not the small fraction of knowledge. Have a comprehensive knowledge, comprehensive understanding of the fundamentals. When you get the fundamentals right, you won't get panicky. Try to get the fundamentals right. That is sattvic knowledge. पृथक्त्वेन तु यज्ञानं नानाभाव पृथक्विदान् वेति सर्वेषु भूतेषु तज्ज्ञानं विद्धि राजसम्. पृथक्त्वेन, just in time knowledge, just to pass the exam, or the limited knowledge, that is called as rajasic knowledge. It is filled with full of stress and anxiety. यत्तु कृष्णवदे कस्मिन् कार्ये सक्तः हेतुकम् तत्त्वार्थवदल्पं च तत्तामसोदाहृतम्. कृष्णवदे, there is no knowledge at all, wrong end of the stick. It is called as understanding totally differently. It is called as tamasic knowledge. Niyatam sangarahitam ragadveshata kritam. Niyatam araga, it's a sangarahitam araga dveshata kritam. Apala prepsuna karma तत्सात्विक उच्यते. यत्तु कामेप्सुना कर्म स अहङ्कारेण वा पुनः क्रियते बहुलायासं तद्राजसुदाहृतम्. The doing the action, the rajasic selfish interest, it is so much of effort is involved. Doing out of ego, it is called as rajasic yajna. It's the war, Iran and America and Israel, for it's a clash of ego, and close to White House, 1 week, 1 month before itself, there is a betting app whether war will happen or not. The White House people leaked the information to their close ones. They made millions of dollars. War will happen. It is even war. It is a money-making scheme. Money-making scheme, doesn't matter who will win or not. And now a lot of protest is happening in America also because it is putting economic pressure to brainwash them. Donald Trump doesn't believe in any religion. And he called all the priests and say some Bible verses and bless me. Only to hoodwink people, thinking that our leader is so great. He is seeking the divine protection. He has no, Arjuna, Duryodhana's principle also, that one. Pretend that you are highly religious and cheat people. You need not have to have any faith. That is only to impress upon people. He is a highly religious people. He need a divine protection. He has no belief in anything. And that is effort is Rajasa Udahritam. Anubandam Kshayam Himsa. Anaveksha cha Paurusham. Mohadarabhyate karma. Yattatamasa uchyate. Mukta sangonaham vadi. Dhriti utsaha samanvitaha. Siddha siddho nirvikara. Karta satvika uchyate. It's not attached to anything. Mukta sango. Be grateful that you have an opportunity to play the game of your life. Be grateful. Not always think what is there for me. Getting an opportunity to bring out the best in you, it itself is God's blessing. Mukta sango. Do play the game well. Aham vadi. Not out of ego. Not ego should not abstract you in bringing out your best. Dhriti, focused. Utsaha, filled with always energy. Not to have a long face. Samanvitaha, outcome is not, it won't deter you. That type of action is a sattvic action. Ragi karmapala prepsu. Lubdo himsatmako shuchihi. Harsha shokanvita karta. Rajasa parikirtitaha. Ayukta prakrita stabda. Shato nekriti kolasaha. Vishadi dirga sutri cha. Karta tamasa uchyate. Buddhirbedam drite chaiva. Gunatatrividam shruno. Prochyamana sheshena. Pritatvena dhananjaya. Pravrittim cha nivrittim cha. Karya karye baya baye. Bandham moksham cha ya veti. Buddhi sa partha satviki. Pravrittim, the buddhi, the sattvic buddhi is what to do, what not to do. That buddhi is called as sattvic buddhi. And interestingly, Vayu Purana talks about, we talk about Gayatri Mantra. Dhiyo yona prachodayat. May we have good buddhi. Vayu Purana talks about God doesn't have buddhi. He is abuddhi. He doesn't have buddhi. We are praying for a buddhi. Buddhi means think and do. And for him, no buddhi means he is a jnana swarupa. He need not have to think and do. He is always is omniscient. And for us, please give us a buddhi to know that one. It is talking about he is abuddhi. He has no buddhi. And yata yaya dharma adharmam cha. Karyam akaryam eva cha. Ayatavat prajaniti. Buddhi sa partha rajasi. If anyone shouts at you, don't you have buddhi? You said, so yes, I am like God. He also doesn't have, I also don't have. Okay. And adharmam dharmam iti ya manyase manyate tamasa vrita sarvarthan viparitanscha buddhi sa partha tamasi धृत्या येया धारयते मन प्राणेन्द्रिय क्रियाः योगेन विचारिण्या धृति सा पार्थ सात्विकी मन धारयते. You have to holding the mind. If you think of something, you have to hold that thought, good thought, for not to allow the mind to collapse. Shushri, you have a buddhi, you have holding a thought, you want to become a cardiologist or you want to learn the mantra. Never allow that noble thought to collapse. We all ask your parents' generation, everyone wanted to do many things, but the mind collapsed. No stamina in the mind. No stamina in the mind, we collapse. Because of that, we are not able to achieve anything great. There is no stamina in the mind. You need to have a stamina in the mind. Dhritya yaya dharayate. Good things, focus. Retain the stamina, mental stamina. When you embark on that one, that is tapas. Yes, challenges will come. Never let the good thoughts fall away, dissipate from you and get diluted. मन प्राणेन्द्रिय क्रियः योगेन व्यचारिण्या धृति सा पार्थ सात्विकी येया तु धर्मकामार्थान् धृत्या धारयते अर्जुन प्रसंगेन फलाकांक्षी धृति सा पार्थ राजसी. My dhriti holding, I will do only up to what is my short-term goal. Then I change the goalpost. Goalpost, dhriti is only short range. You need to have long range dhriti in your life. Then only one becomes genius. Not whatever you start, not to give up. Yoga sadhana. Many people enroll for the first term. 2 classes they attend, they lose the focus. They lose the interest, they lose the focus. And they say we will attend online because there is no stamina, mental stamina is lost. There is we started online class out of compulsion in 2020 because of Corona. Now, whenever possible, sit at the feet of the teacher and learn. That is the blessing. We are not interested, we want the short term, there is no, longing is not there. Turn on the Zoom link and make coffee and have a coffee while drinking the coffee. You listen and we think we get the punya. Yes, then 36, Sukam Tvidanim Trividam Shunu me Bharatarshaba Abhyasa Ramate Yatra Dukkantam cha nigacchati Yatadagre Vishamiva Hariname Amritopamam Tatsukam Satvikam Prokta Atma Buddhi Prasadajam. Atma Buddhi. Atma means mind, Buddhi means intellect. What illumines your mind and intellect, to illumine that one, initially it is struggle. But outcome is a positive, that is called a sattvic sadhana. Whatever you do, it should illumine your mind and intellect and gives the happiness. That you look for that one, not quick return. Vishendriya samyogat yatadagre amritopamam pariname vishamiva tatsukam rajasam smritam. And the short term gain is rajasik sukha. Na tadasti prithiviyam vadivi देवेषु वा पुनः सत्वं प्रकृतिजैर्मुक्तं यदेभिः स्यात्रिभिर्गुणैः ब्राह्मणा क्षत्रिया विषं शूद्राणां च परन्तप कर्माणि प्रविभक्तानि स्वभाव प्रभवैर्गुणैः. Vishnu Sahasranam also talks about Chaturmurti, Chaturbahu, Chaturvyuha, Chaturgati. 444. In the initial one, he created the humans also. 4 type of mentality. 1 type of mentality interested in knowledge. 2nd type interested in doing. I have to do something. And the 3rd one, doing and profiteering. You have to sustainable. That is the 3rd type mentality. 4th mentality is support. We need all 4 types. Sri Krishna says, through any type you can attain the Bhagavan. For people interested in thinking, forward thinking, long range thinking, like Indian President Abdul Kalam ji, he had a vision for India 50 years down the track. That type of vision. One who has a long-term vision, and Shamodama Tapa Shaucham Shanti Arjavameva cha Jnanam Vijnana Astikyam Brahma Karma Subhavajam. That in the company also, CEO, for example, CEO has a long-term vision, whereas operation manager, he or she will be panicking, some product is not selling or made loss. Operation manager is panicking, this product, but the CEO of the company has a long-term vision, won't get bogged down by small profit and loss. Whereas when Brahmana is the one, when you have the long-term vision, small pinpricks in the life won't affect you, because your goal is high. If I do not have a goal, last week I said our neighbor in Bangalore, her neighbor fights for if their street tree in front of their house falls on their side, very upset, picks up the quarrel. When I do not have vision, I get upset. When you have the higher vision, you won't get upset easily. Shauryam tejo dhriti dakshya Yuddhe chapya palayanam Dana ishvara bhavascha Kshatra karma swabhavajam. To become this is called as the R&D. This is called as R&D, and here it is this can be called as the king. Head is the king, and these shoulders are called as security around the king, protection, and the stomach is called as production, and legs are called as service. We need all 4. All 4 are required. Protection ability. If you want to be dynamic, protection, outgoing, and our scriptures talk about natural evolution. Children should not be dull. There should be more result oriented, want to achieve great. That is the Kshatriya dharma also should be there. As you are maturing, you need elevate yourself, get promoted to Brahmana quality. Initially, you have to have dynamism, not to say, I just want to meditate. It is by just closing your eyes, your house won't run. Shauryam tejo, next one, Krishi go raksha vanijyam, Vaishya dharma swabhavajam, Paricharyatmakam karma, Shudrasyapi swabhavajam, Sve sve karmanya birata, Samsiddhim labate naraha, Swakarma niratam siddhim, ಯಥಾ ವಿಂದತಿ ತಶೃಣು ಯಥಾ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿ ಭೂತಾನಾಂ ಯೇನ ಸರ್ವ ಇದಂ ತತಂ ಸ್ವಕರ್ಮಣ ತಮರ್ಭ್ಯರ್ಚ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಂ ವಿಂದತಿ ಮಾನವ. Whatever path, whatever is your call of the heart, following that one, you attain the perfection. Shreyan swadharmo vigunaha paradharma swanishtitat swakarma nirata swabhava niyata karma kurvan apnoti kilbisham. Shreyan swadharmo, whatever is your the path, to follow that one. Whatever is your passion, not to compare, not to try to become somebody else. You become yourself. It is all about spirituality. Spirituality is not you are becoming somebody. You become yourself. That is the path of your freedom. Sahajam karma kaunteya sadosham api tanatyajet sarvarambha hi doshena dhumena agniravrita asakta buddhi sarvatra hitatma vigataspruhaha naishkarmya siddhim paramam sanyasena adhigacchati siddhim prapto yata dharma tatapnoti nibodhame समासेनैव कौन्तेय निष्ठा ज्ञानस्य या परा सिद्धिं प्राप्तो. When you become that one, siddhim prapto, you are totally connected to the highest. Villagers, farmers back in India also have seen, not gone to any schools or whatever, but they have become expert. But when you talk to them, so grounded, they say it is all God's kripa. God's kripa, totally surrendered. Whatever you attain, the great achiever, even the great scientists, they say, we say, you think I am an expert, but I don't know anything. Great people, even Einstein was saying, his knowledge is very small. Lot to learn. When you know more and more, you start connecting to that one, tapping into that one. I know nothing. You totally surrender to that one. Buddhya vishuddhaya yukto dhritya atmanam niyamya cha शब्दादीन् विषयान् त्यक्त्वा रागद्वेषो विदस्य च विविक्तसेवी लघ्वाशी यतवा कायमानसः ज्ञानयोगपरो नित्यं वैराग्यं समुपाश्रितः अहङ्कारं बलं दर्पं कामं क्रोधं परिग्रहं विमुच्य निर्ममः शान्तो ब्रह्मभूयाय कल्पते ब्रह्मभूता प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न काङ्क्षति समसर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिं लभते पराम्. Brahmabhuta, when you get the higher things, higher taste, you are not worried at all. You are so compassionate, happy within. For example, here, who's that? Govinda from Georgia. He has come to Bangalore. It's connected. He's here. Hare Krishna. He left his all jobs and he's very happy. Bangalore, 4 years he is there. And when you taste higher, for us, we have 3 investment property, 4th one is going on, still not happy. Still not happy, I want more. And who is happy, who is not happy? Who is happy that I may not have anything, still I can be. One who is happy is really a king. I may have lot of money, still always complaining, tension. What will happen? My house is not, builder is not finishing. I'm stressed. It's 2 houses I'm building, and I'm so worried about whether settlement will happen or not. No happiness. Bhaktya mam abhijanati yavatischasmi tatvatah tato mam tatvato jnatva vishate tadanantaram sarvakarmanyapi sada karmanyapi sada kurvano matpara vapashrayah मत्प्रसाद अवाप्नोति शाश्वतं पदमव्ययम् चेतसा सर्वकर्माणि सन्न्यस्य मत्परः बुद्धियोग उपाश्रित्य मच्चित्ता सततं भव. In the first shloka, Arjuna asked the question, Tyaga or sannyas, which one is better? Shri Krishna gives the answer in the 57th shloka. You Chetasa, you do everything and renounce the outcome, and Tyaga, do everything, not attached to the outcome, and Sannyasa, you surrender complete to me. He says, not this or that. Both are required. Tyaga, you do everything, not running away, and complete surrender to me. That is, Tyaga and Sannyasa, they are not supplementary. They are both are required. Both the surrender, Sannyasa means complete surrender to the Lord, and Tyaga means do everything, not attached to the outcome. Yadahankara machitta sarvadurgani matprasada tarishyati atiche tvamahankara nashroshyati vinangshyasi yadahankara ashritya nayotsya iti manyase mityaisha vyavasayaste prakritin swam niyoksyati स्वभावजेन कौन्तेय निबद्धा स्वेन कर्मणा कर्तुं नेच्छसि यन्मोह करिष्ये अवशोऽपि सः ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्येशेऽर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयान् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया. Last week I told there is a CEO within. This body belongs to him, not to think I won't do. CEO, it's in Kene Shitam Patati Preshitam Manaha in Kena Upanishad we talked about. All senses are working according to the will of the CEO. All everything operational under the CEO's his presence, but we mistaken the identity, thinking that world is running according to me. That is the cause of all problems. That is the dichotomy. We are not connected to the CEO. Tameva sharanam gaccha sarva bhavena bharata tat prasadat param shanti sthanam prapyasi shashvatam iti te jnanam akyatam guhya guhyataram maya vimshena te asheshena yate tata kuru. Think properly before whatever Bhagavad Gita is talking about, and do what you like. Sarvaguhyatamam bhuya me paramam vachaha ishtosi me vidridamiti vakshyami te hitam tato vakshyami te hitam. 66 Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarvapapebhyo mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. Your life is for celebration. I will give you the freedom in your life, and how totally surrender to see you. Then Sri Krishna in the 72nd shloka, Kaschidetad Shrutam Partha Vaikagrena Chetasa Kachida Jnana Sanmoha Pranashtaste Dhananjaya. Hope hearing this one, all your doubts and delusions have melted. Arjuna says, Nashto moha smritir labdva prasadatmaya chuta stitosmi gata sandeha karishye vachanam tava tvat prasadat maya achyuta nashto moha. All my confusions have gone because I connected to Achyuta. Achyuta means a defect. Your Achyuta means you are perfect. There is no defect. By your grace, all you wiped off all my doubts. Astitosmi, I have become myself. I told spirituality is to become yourself. And Karishye Vachanam Tava. I will do what you said. I understand your message. This is the last shloka in Bhagavad Gita from Arjuna. Now Sanjaya, first shloka in Bhagavad Gita starts from Arjuna, Sanjaya. Now Sanjaya takes over. Ityaham Vasudevasya Parthasya cha Mahatmanaha Samvada ima ashrosha Adbhutam Romaharshanam. Sanjaya says, this one Vasudevasya, from given by Bhagavan Vasudeva himself to Partha. To Partha Arjuna, he has given that one, Pritha's son, Mahatmanaha, Cha Mahatmanaha, that great soul, Mahatmanaha, Bhagavan, Sri Krishna, Vasudeva, himself, listening to this one, I am Ashrosha, Adbhutam, it is beyond words, Adbhutam. How was that message? He is conveying to Dhritarashtra. What I heard, Adbhuta, beyond the description, Roma Harshanam, hearing my hair is standing, horripilation, erect, so thrilled. I am so thrilled. I heard from this one, and Sanjaya says, Roma Harshanam, I am so thrilled, my horripilation, beyond description. And how I got this, I must thank Vedavyasa who blessed this one. I will talk about this one. Vyasa Prasadat, Shrutavan, Guhyatamam Param, Yogam Yogeshwarat Krishnat, Sakshat Katayata Swayam. Vyasa Prasada, because of Veda Vyasa offered this Duradarshan and clairvoyance and vision to see far away. He gave that Siddhi to Dhritarashtra. He was, because he had guilt conscious, he said, give it to Sanjaya. He says, because of Veda Vyasa's grace, Shrutavan, I could able to hear this one and I could able to see also, as if it is a live relay. Guhyataram, top secret, and Yogam Yogeshwara, told by none other than Mahayogi, Yogeshwara, Krishna himself has told. It is not a third party, fourth party interpretation. It is told by Sri Krishna himself, Sakshat Kathayatam. It is by Vedavyasa's grace. I cannot thank enough Vedavyasa for enabling me to hear and see live what is happening what is happening is Yogam Yogeshwar, told by Sri Krishna himself, and Kathayata Swayam. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Sakshat